What's up everyone? Welcome back to the Scott Barnes Show, and in today's video, I want to show you guys a fun gem I found on Amazon. Let's get into the electric razor category. Here we go. Now, just after putting in a little bit of mustache wax, it really is important to pay attention to detail. And I thought this is a great category to get into. Now, we all know with growing out our beards, even girls, right? We've got the legs, we've got the armpits, right? As vanity as we are, that is what our goal is to be perfect, precise, and nice, clean, and cut. So I think the electric razor is a nice add-on to the toolbox that we have. Now with that rant, I picked up this new product from Amazon. This is one of their top 10 best sellers, all right? And this is I want to say it's the Alexan or Alexane. I don't know, however you want to pronounce it, but this is a portable electric rechargeable razor. Now they have two awesome attachments for the top. They also have a USB charging port for about 90 minutes of shaving time, and also they have a fun random little brush. I don't know what you would use this for. Maybe if you want to use your mustache game, I don't know. Now to finish everything off, you can always pull this off if you need to clean it. And to turn it on, this is one of my pet peeves. I don't know, this is I guess personal preference, but when to turn it on, you have to rotate to click it on. We've got a green light, shows you guys that we got power, and then eventually as the charge goes down, it will turn into red. So it's a fun little portable electric razor. Now, the few reasons why I wanted to bring up the category of the electric razor is this is a great in-between cut between your long trims for the beard and or for you ladies, like I said, with the legs, all right? I know it's tough. We might go a month without shaving, but this is a great time if you're really on point when you're going out tanning, you're going out swimming. You know, it's just those times where we're, summertime, we're in our swimsuit, we wanna look great, we're with our partner, we want to look nice and kept up. And this electric razor within those days can really keep nice and neat. And that's one reason why I picked this up. I've been hitting the gym really hard for the past 6 months. I've gone up to about 200 pounds. I've gained about 20 pounds of weight. So I've really been, as vanity as it is, I've really been doing great work with my body, and I'm really happy with the goals and the achievements that I have hit. So that being said, if you guys want to check this out, I'm going to put it into the link in the description. It's $20. It's $19.95, plus with your Amazon Prime, you can't beat it. With the charge, this is a great gift. You know, if you got your man out there, for you guys, if you want something cheap, easy to go, this is just something great to add, like I said, to the toolbox. So enough being said, let's go ahead and turn this on, and I want to show you guys a great example of just fine tuning the beard, the neckline, and for you ladies too, if you need to adjust a couple things here and there, this is a nice quick thing to wrap it up. All right, so once again, we just flip the top to the bottom, turned it on, and then we just start from the side. I'm gonna go and then I'll finish with my cheeks. This just gets all that peach fuzz and gets all those scrawny little hairs out. Now for me, that's pretty easy, simple, and smart. If nobody wants to get up, have to spend 20 minutes to shave, I know that's an excessive amount of time to shave, but if you really want to fine tune things, you're headed to work, this is just a nice, easy, quick pick me up, let's get out the door, kind of a thing. So I thought this was a fun tool that we can all use in between those cuts and trims. If you guys got any questions or comments, leave them down below. I will try to get back to them as soon as possible. Like always, you guys like and subscribe. Check me out on all that social media. Love you guys like always, and I will see you on the flip side. See ya!